This is Vivek from codingcyber.com. This is a sixth part in this video series, creating WordPress theme in 60 minutes. It's almost done. Everything is similar, but we have some issues. This is not an image slider, and this is a static. It's taking it from template files, and this footer also it's a static. This contact form. If we can cover this contact form, I'll cover in this video, or else I'll create a completely new video for this one. Next, okay, first I'll start with this one. For this one, I'm going to install one plugin that's a easing slider light. It's easy to implement. Within minutes you can use it. In a couple of minutes. This is a plugin. I'll confirm it by checking the version 2.1.3, and this is a 2.1.3, and the rating is also 4.4. Same. It's looking. I'm going to install. I know this is the same thing, same module, same plugin. Sorry. It's already installed. Next, I have to activate it. After activating, you can see a slideshow menu, admin menu. After settings, here it's already there, and now I can add images. I'll use default images, default Windows images, just 2 to 3. I'm going to insert this into slideshow, and you can define width and height. As per this image, I'm going to use 980 pixels by 238, 980 by 238 height, and you can configure all these options, the transition effects, and the next previous arrows you want to show it, or you want to disable it. However, you can show all this inside or outside. Anything you can configure. Pagination icons, also same. Automatic playback, you want to play back, auto playback, or you want to manual playback. And next, here in installation tab, you will find a small function. You can use this. Okay. And in place of this one, I'm just replacing this with theme. Now you can see it's working. It's already working, but the problem is if we are going to place it inside our previous tag, that will be great, because we have already specified the margin. It will work exactly as same as, because we don't have any margin here and we have space here. Yeah, this is working same. You can see the border also, but it's not looking good. It's fine. You can hide these icons and you can play with those. Next thing is I'm going to create this one. For this one, I'm going to create a widget. For that, we need a functions.php file. I'm going to create a functions.php file. I think we have some problem. I'll use this one. No problem. WP content, themes, consultancy, functions.php file, functions.php, and here I'm going to create a function. You can use the existing code from previous thing. I'm going to look for a register sidebar, register underscore sidebar. This is a theme function. You can find it on WordPress codex also. Yeah, I need to open PHP tag. I forgot to do that. And the next one is we need to close this one and add action code. This is a line. You can change this one based on your theme name. Widgets in it is you can keep as it is, or otherwise you can modify. As per our theme, I am modifying consultancy, and here is the function you need to run. And I am going to change this one social contact info. No need. You can use contact info, and this one is the contact. You can change this one. Now if I refresh my widgets page, you can see I have this one. Contact info. Here I can create a content block with this contact info, email, and I can place it, call it here using we don't need this title. Before after we don't need this. I'll just replace this with this one. This is a closing div, so we don't need this. It will just appear as it is, but in front end we need to call a dynamic underscore sidebar function. Sorry, dynamic sidebar. You can use this function, or else you can directly use a dynamic sidebar and our ID. Our ID is in this case it's a contact. Here in NetBeans ID header.php file, replace this complete div address in this function, and here it's contact. It will work same as it is. So we need to add it to widgets, content block, and contact info. Save. That's just working fine. Now you can update this contact information from content blocks. And next is social icons. I will create one more widget for social icon. Register sidebar. I'll add it as social info, and this as a social. And the next one is area for social icons. Social icons, and I need to copy this HTML. Copy as HTML, and I'll create a new block, new content block, add new content block. Social icons or social info, anything you can use. I'm using social info, and paste this one. Cut this div because I'm going to replace with this div. Next one is this closing div. That's not necessary, it's already there. because I have just deleted, and save this one, publish this one, and then go to next, go to appearance widgets, add this widget to here, sorry, not here, in social info, save. It's just the same, but now it's coming from admin panel. We can update it. So content blocks, contact info, I will update the mobile number. It's this one, +919876543210. Update it. You can see the changes in front end. Here you can see the change. That's just simple. You can update the content and you can update these links and anything you want. And the next part is the footer links. Footer, you can call this from a menu also, but I had to rewrite all those styles. For now I'll place this one in on content block. That will be easy for me, using this one same. I'll register a sidebar. This I'll call it as footer info, and this one is a footer area for footer information, consultancy. And here I need to add the styles. I'll copy this entire HTML, copy, otherwise I'll copy only this one, copy as HTML, content block, add new content block, footer info. This one I'll call it as footer info. Paste this one, and I'll replace these values here. And this is just a same closing div, so I'll remove this last div. And what we need to do is, first we need to call the dynamic sidebar function. Sorry for this one, previously I haven't called this one dynamic sidebar function here. Social, but here it's working fine. I'll show it with adding my Facebook page. And here it's a published content block is published, appearance widgets. Go here and footer info, content block, footer info. Next one is I'll call this dynamic sidebar function here in footer. And copy this ID, footer, and paste it here. And if you reload this one, you can see from content blocks I can update this one. First I'll update social icons, social info. This one, this is my page. If I refresh here, you should see that one. It's working fine. Your footer links also works fine. Otherwise I will update. Here you can see the changes. Previously it was different domain name, and it's my domain name. Thanks for watching the video. I'll create a one more video for this one, this contact form using contact form 7 or something different plugin. Thanks for watching.